Are you looking for the ways to transfer files, videos, or application between iOS and Android, I mean iPad and iPhone, in a quick and a wireless method? So today we're gonna be sharing with you how to do that in a quick and short time. To get started, consider watching until the end. I'm gonna be transferring files from my Android to iOS, which is an iPad. So I'll start first with the receiver. The receiver will be my iPad and the sender will be my Android phone. So I'm starting with the receiver, opening the Shareit, and I will click receive first. So it shows iPad 9. Once done like that, the receiver is waiting for the sender. So I go to sender in my Android, I open Shareit. Here from my Android, I'll just choose send. And it will require me, I can choose any application as you see from the Android, any app. I can send Pixar, Skype, Twitter, camera, anything I can send. Like if it's an app, if I want to send video, I can choose from there. If I want to send files, I can choose also from there, photos or music, whatever. So for today, I'll just send the video, which is videos from download part, which is mobile. I select that and click send. Then open Bluetooth, I click open. Then next, it will start searching. You see already the iPad 9 has already pops out to the sender side. Then I click the icon for the iPad from the sender side, tap. You can see iPad 9 is online. It will just use to send that file. It will use 2 seconds. 1 second is done already. The video has been sent yet. That's all. It is so easy. If you wanna do the vice versa, like sending from iOS, which is iPhone or iPad, back to Android, you'll need to start with the receiver. After the video has been sent, so to do that, you can just cancel like the connection. Okay, disconnect, yes. Then after you're done, you'll be given like the summary. Okay, then you go to your files and you'll find the videos over there. Yeah, that's what it's all about. If you can click on the video, once done, you see, you play it. Whenever you wanna, what you can do to get them into your file, just tap over there and tap import. So you tap that and you click import. Yeah, your video will be imported to a normal photos or normal gallery. So that's all. Take care, guys. If you are new here, consider subscribing. Bye bye.